You pitiful Republican idealist. Today you have to learn to be a realist. The voters did Barack Obama re-anoint. Let's face it now, our nation's reached the tipping point. Be wise, compromise, compromise and be wise. Let them see you cross the aisle, be non-committal. I will not kiss the ass of the man I despise. You'll not have to suck too hard, but just a little. Ally conservatism in consideration of the trend of demographics in our nation. A hazy nation full of lazy people is racing toward the cliff out of control. So better hike the taxes on the 2% and let the good times roll. 'Cause there's no way to stop it, no there's no way to stop it. If the federal debt should soar another trill, you're a fool if you worry, just you sit on your couch with your remote in front of your TV and a chill. No point in working hard to build your business. Don't bust your buns to save a little dough. A year or two from now, all of your savings will be worthless script. You know. Out of luck here, we're here 'cause we're still stuck here with this creepy weasel rat Manchurian with the ears. But we made our selection and he won the election. Now his skinny ass is in for 4 more years. 4 more, 4 more, 4 more, 4 more. 4 years of government welfare, increasing government healthcare. They're telling us where to go and what to do. You takers of the bennies who shout tax the rich in chorus with each liberal guru, you'll find that when the gravy train runs out, it will all come crashing down on you. And there's no way to stop it, that's the way it will pan out when the